Everybody, welcome back to my page, my Facebook page, Chara Harris Online, or my YouTube channel, Chara Harris Online. And this video is a little bit different. I know I've done a lot of Bible studies and those videos recently, and I'm actually going to be going live later today doing one of those again. But this is a recorded video, and I'm doing another hair video because there's some hair videos on this channel, and there's faith things on this channel as well. So I bought my very first wig by LuvMe Hair. You see the pretty purple box. Yeah. And so I bought a headband wig. And so I'm fixing to open the box. I'm going to unbox it, and then I'm going to get the wig on so you can see what it looks like. So we can open this up. So the first thing is I've got a $10 gift card, valid for 3 months. So you get a nice little letter. Okay, here's the unit and the pretty bag. We're gonna see what else is in here. Oh, so these look like the headbands, but you get headbands with it too. So I'm gonna go ahead and today. So I hope the light is good. Oh, so you get a little extra Velcro like extender for the wig. All right, so I've got this nice, oh, this is cute. It's got pearls on it. So it's got a little, oh, that might go with what I'm wearing today. Okay, we'll see how it goes. And then there is a polka dot one. Okay, this one's gonna be one of my favorites because I love animal print. So we have a animal print one. Oh, that's kind of how it is in the, oops. Well, kind of hard to see the front. Yeah, it's kind of like a knot, the way it's made in the front. That's cute. A solid white. And I'm holding these correctly. Solid white one. And then we have this one here, which is gray, but it has these little stars on it. Very cute. All right, so that's all the headbands. And let's see what else is in here. You get a letter. Enjoy your hair journey from now on, Helena, founder of LuvMe Hair. So you get that in there too. And then we get a wig cap. So I'll probably be using that as well. This is my first wig, you guys, and I got a headband one where it just goes with a headband because I have no idea what I'm doing. I just wanted to get something to where, like, when I've done my hair, I've washed and I twisted it, and it's like, I don't want to take it down after 2 weeks, but I still gotta look nice, right? So I was like, I'm gonna give me one of these. And I've seen the advertisements on Facebook. So it comes with a little LuvMe pin. Okay, here we go. Extender for the wig. You get some hairpins. Awesome. I always use hairpins. And we have an edge brush, which I'm not as good with my edges. Like I put gel on it and I slicked it back already because my hair is in twists. I'll show you what the back looks like in a minute. I'll turn around in a minute. Oh, but you get like an edge brush and a little comb. And I'm not good with making those pretty. I never was good with that. My mom wasn't either. Like I gotta practice. And I have edge control and all that stuff. And practice. And this is, to lay your edges down. So you get a scarf so you can lay your edges down. Okay, which I already laid mine down earlier. So, okay. All right, you get a lot of freebies with the wig. And I bought it I ordered it in November, like Black Friday, or I think maybe that Saturday. But anyway, so I've got that deal going on. All right, so let me show you how I have my hair. So my hair is in twists, but it's probably kind of hard to see how I have it twisted, but my hair is in multiple twists, but then I took those twists and twisted them together and then just pinned it up. So kind of like milkmaid braids, and then just pinned it up so that it would be up and out of the way. And I can see I've got a little curly piece right there, a little end that's sticking out. So I'm tucking on there, but I just use hairpins like this to stick that up there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up this wig cap and get this on. I may have to pause the video because I didn't bring like a mirror in here, and trying to put it on with the camera might be a little difficult. So All right. And this is just to keep the inside of the wig from messing up with your hair. All right, so I'm gonna, because I put it on from the back. Okay, so yeah, covered my hair in the back, nice. And I'll leave it right here. Yeah, yeah, okay. All right, so now let's see what the hair looks like. I'm excited. And another reason why I decided to buy a hairpiece is that I always like to, ooh, wow, that's pretty color. I always think about coloring my hair, but I also don't want to damage my hair because my hair is real, fine. It's thick and curly, but it's fine. And I notice every time that I've gotten highlights, even whether I did them myself or professionally, the part that was highlighted, the texture changed, like the curls got looser. So the color kind of changed the texture. And it's like, well, I don't want to do that to my hair. So I was like, well, and I know when I get braids this summer, I'm going to get a different color. I figured if I'm going to add hair in, and I'm going to get a different color. So here's the hair. This is, I think it's color number 4 on a color chart. Oh yeah, that's so it's a pretty brown, and it's darker at the top a little bit. So I think that'll help with mine. All right, so I'm actually going to pause the video and I'm going to go put this on in the mirror. And then I will. All right, before I go put it, I wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is the headband part, and then it has combs to attach to your hair. So there's combs, so there's one in the top, and then on each side, and then at the bottom in the back. And then this, whew, this is the Velcro that hooks underneath, like the nape in the back. So this is the front, and then you hook that underneath the back. So I'm gonna go get in a mirror in my bathroom and get this on, and then I will be back. Okay, I am back. I think I have it on correctly because there's a comb right here, comb on this side, comb on that side. And then here's the hair. This is 18 inches. And I like it. It's really, really soft. Let me see the back. I kind of wish I had gotten a longer length now. I was like, well, if I'm going to wear a fake hairpiece, I might as well get a longer length. All right, so I'm going to put a little leave-in conditioner on it and kind of comb it out a little bit just to see how that goes. I might end up back in the bathroom again with this. We'll see how this goes. Just to kind of, there we go. Bring it out a little bit more. I could always reset the curls too. Just to kind of lightly comb it out just a little bit. It's really soft and easy to comb. There we go. Get a little bit more body to it. I like bigger hair. I like bigger hair. Oh wow. Oh wow. That turned out really nice. Wow, I really like it. All right, so let me put my earrings on. Put this down here. I don't know if I need any mousse. Here, I'm gonna put a little mousse on it. Keep the curls together too. Like I wanted it combed out, but I also want to keep the curls together. So I'm putting a little mousse on it. And I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. This is my first. All right, and that mousse. There we go. So I combed it out, but then it kind of, I put that back on there and kind of get some of the waves back in there. Oh my gosh. Well, I like it. I think it's really cute. It's definitely a firm fit. Like I don't have to worry about this sliding off my head. Like it's not going anywhere. I hope it doesn't give me a headache. I've had headbands sometimes give me a headache, but usually it's the plastic ones that come right here and they kind of give me a headache. But oh wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these headbands. I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna take my glasses off. I think I'm gonna do this one. put that up. Well, you gotta be able to see the pearls. So I gotta get it on here right. So it reminds me, when I do hair videos, I need to bring my mirror like into my office where I film so I can see. Yeah, that's kind of pretty. All right, and then I'm gonna go and put my earrings on, see how this all looks. I really like the color, and I feel like it goes good, even though my hair is darker, because my hair is just, it's a dark brown. It would be color like number 2 if you're buying hair, you know, like for braids to match my hair is number 2. And this hair, I think is like number 4 and number 30 or something like that. So it's definitely a lighter brown than what I'm used to. And I probably could have slid it back a little bit. Once those combs are in there, they're in there though. Like there's no going back. All right. Well, I like it. Oh my gosh. I think this is cute. I think this is a good quick hairstyle when I need one. And the color is nice. It looks like I colored my hair and I did not color my hair. All right, so y'all tell me what you think. So I had been seeing these ads on Facebook, and I know sometimes you see stuff in the ads and you're just kind of like, you know, is this really what it is? So I went to YouTube and I saw some other women do it on YouTube, and then that's when I decided. I was like, I'm gonna give it a try and do one. So I'm actually going to be going live later on this evening, and I'm actually going to keep this on because I want to see how long I can wear it and if it feels like it's too tight or anything, and how that's all going to go. Both sides. That's the side that got a little frizzy, didn't it? I don't know. I will look in the mirror in a minute and see what happened there. But I like it. I kind of wish I had gotten one a little bit longer, but I like it. I think it looks really nice. And I've seen women videos like pull some of it up. I've seen them like do a side part, like they use a smaller headband and they actually like pull some to the side so it looks like they've got a side. Like there's ways to kind of style it, and the hair is really soft and easy to like deal with. So I like it. And then my hair is nice and tucked away the way I want it to be. But a lot of times what happens for me is I wash my hair and I twist it, and then I still have to run, like I wash it Saturday morning or something, and then I have errands and things to run, and it's like I don't always want to wear a cap to go out, and I don't always sometimes want to wear my twist out. Sometimes I want them pinned up because I want them stretched, you know, and then I take my hair down, and then I wear it twisted for a week, and then I wear it down like the next week. And so this is good to put on when I still have my hair twisted and I don't want to take it, I'm not ready to take my twist down. So y'all tell me what you think in the description box. I'm gonna link to the one that I bought. And I think that's it. I showed everything that was in the box. I put it on. I didn't show putting it on because it was my first time getting one on and I didn't have a mirror in here. So next time, if I buy another unit, I will have my mirror in here so I can kind of like show you how I got it on. But I am really liking it. Yeah, I'm pulling more hair to the front if I want to. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm really liking it. And I like the color. It doesn't look, it's not too far out where it's like, Char, where did you do your hair? You know, it looks like I could have put some color in my hair. So anyway, all right. So thank y'all for watching. And join me. Well, you probably won't be watching this video, but anyway, on my YouTube page, I have another Bible study that I have done. I'm going live tonight for it, and it'll be on my page too. So definitely watch this video and then check out my latest video as well. And I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. And if you were skeptical about, where's the other, hold on y'all. Oh, here it is. If you were skeptical about purchasing one of these from like a Facebook ad, which the ad takes you to the website. So it's like a full website. It's a real deal. I got a real hairpiece that I actually like. I really like it. So, all right. So I'm gonna get all this stuff back in the box. This is just plastic. I can go in the trash later, and then I'll put my box. I'm gonna put everything back in the box. The box is really cute. I'll just keep this on my closet shelf because it's really cute. It's purple. All right, y'all. So thank you for watching, and tune in either for another Bible study video or another hair video, and I'll see you later. Bye.